everybody. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rikayayu Agustini. I'm from Faculty of Agrotechnology, Universitas Singapura Bangsa Karawang. There are other research members beside me, Windaryanti, Devi Rinjani Supriyadi, and Muhammad. On this occasion, I will present the result of the research activities that we have carried out with the title Accumulation of PB in Brassica juncea in response to sludge paper waste application. Paper is one of the materials whose level of need is increasing every year throughout the world, but for school, printing, and office needs. The paper consumption based on data from the World Life Fund was around 400 million tons per year with residue of around 5 until 60% of the amount of the paper produced. Even in Europe, the Confederation of Europe Paper Industries in 2012 suggests recycling waste paper into useful materials. It is estimated that 1 ton of paper production produces around 40 until 50 kilogram of sludge paper waste. You can see the picture about paper production life cycle that the sludge is not utilized and thrown into landfill. Sludge is a very important soil conditioner and can add to the organic matter content of the soil and provide macro and micronutrients to the soil. The content of organic matter in sludge can improve the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the soil. Sludge also contains 4.89% organic carbon and 0.96% nitrogen, 0.22% phosphor, and then 0.08% potassium, and then 1% 58% calcium carbonate. So that sludge has the potential to be used as a source of nutrition, especially in the suboptimal land. Sludge has a high CN of about 20. If it is directly applied to the soil, it will cause nitrogen immobilization. So therefore, the provision of sludge as a nutrient additive must go through the composting stage first. The result of the analysis of organic fertilizer from sludge waste containing PB, where the analysis results show PB levels around 53.44 milligram per kilogram. While based on the technical requirement, the maximum PB value is around less than 50 milligram kilogram. The content of heavy metal PB contained in organic fertilizer sludge paper waste must be identified. Further, determine the level of pollution and absorption of heavy metal PB in a soil and plants. Chasing plants can be used as PB accumulator plants so that PB uptake can be identified as normal or exercise threshold for human consumption. They determine the amount of PB contained in paper mill sludge that can accumulate in the growing media and chasing plant. The success of organic fertilizer derived from sludge waste is determined by the accumulation and level of pollution in both the soil and plants so that sludge waste fertilizer can be used, especially as an ameliorant in agriculture. The aim of this study was to determine the amount of heavy metals accumulated in coco peat and biochar planting media combined with sludge paper waste, roots, and leaves of Brassica juncea plant as accumulator plants. So, the method used in this research include experiment establishment, and then coco peat and biochar medium, sludge paper waste, planting and chemical fertilizer, harvest analysis of PB content, and statistical analysis. And then the research was conducted in the greenhouse of the Faculty of Agriculture, Universitas Singapura Bangsa Karawang, West Java, from January to March 2021. TCLP sludge paper waste analysis was carried out at Technology Mineral and Batubara Laboratory. Meanwhile, sludge chemical analysis was carried out on the Indonesian Center for Biodiversity and Biotechnology. And then measurement coefficient and translocation factor of PB according to EPA, the accumulation coefficient. That defined as the plant or planting media concentration quotient was calculated. Moreover, according to Menschel et al. 2004, the translocation factor was calculated to estimate the transfer of heavy metal from roots to shoot of Brassica juncea. And then result and discussion. Figure 1 shows that there is a significant effect of the combination of planting media and sludge organic fertilizer on the PB content in Brassica juncea level. The highest yield was obtained by treatment C, not significantly different from treatment D, E, and F, and significantly different from treatment A and B. The highest PB content of around 6.33 milligram per kilogram was found in treatment C, while the lowest PB content was found in treatment F. And figure 2 show that the accumulation of heavy metal PB in plant roots originated from sludge paper waste was higher when using biochar media in treatment F of 9.52 milligram kilogram and treatment D of 6.25 milligram kilogram. Compared to cocoa-peat medium, this is inversely proportional to the accumulation of heavy metal PB in the canopy of the Brassica juncea plant. In cocoa-peat media, the heavy metal PB was accumulated in the plant canopy more than in the roots. In figure 3, show that the highest PB content in the roots of Brassica juncea was found in treatment F, not significantly different from treatment D, and significantly different from other treatments. The highest PB contained in the roots in the sludge organic fertilizer treatment was around 39.67 milligram kilogram with biochar growing media. Meanwhile, the lowest was obtained by treatment E of around 6.67 milligram kilogram, found in cocoa-peat growing media without the use of sludge organic fertilizer. In treatment C, the highest PB content was around 70 milligram kilogram. This shows that the cocoa-peat growing media provides more valuable PB which can be absorbed by the roots of the Brassica juncea plant, although it is possible that the PB did not come from sludge waste organic fertilizer. And then in figure 4, translocation factor root to shoot, the result of the study showed that the treatment C could translocate the heavy metal PB higher than the other treatment. Nevertheless, the translocate metal compounds were low, namely around translocation factor equal 0.48. Tang Ho et al. 2011 state that the value of translocation factor more than 1 indicates that the plants are very effective at translocating heavy metals from roots to plant parts. This is related to the amount of accumulated PB metal that can be absorbed by plant using biochar or cocoa-peat media, combined with sludge paper waste, which is included in the same category for consumption. Metal translocate with cocoa-peat or biochar media combined with sludge paper waste has translocation factor less than 1. And then in figure 4, PB content in growing media, cocoa-peat, biochar, in combination with sludge paper waste, so that there is a significant effect on the combination of planting media and sludge organic fertilizer on PB content in Brassica juncea planting medium. Not significant, the highest yield was obtained by treatment C, not significantly different from treatment E, and significantly different from treatment A, B, D, and F. Treatment C contained PB of a frog, 5 milligram kilogram, but in treatment E also contained about 5 milligram kilogram PB. This shows that Cocopeat growing media with sludge is more capable of absorbs large amounts of PB than biochar growing media with sludge. The conclusion, based on the research result, the heavy metal content of PB in the roots, leaves, and growing media of cocopeat and biochar combined with sludge paper waste is still relatively safe. The combination of cocopeat media and sludge paper waste provide more heavy metal PB both in the media and the Brassica jonesii plants compared to using biochar. However, the value at the translocation factor in each treatment was included in the low category, namely translocation factor less than 1. So the author would like to thank to LPPM Universitas Singapura Bangsa Karawang for providing financial assistance for this research. So that will be the end of our presentation. So if you have further question regarding the topic in its time, we will be glad to receive some question and comment. So thank you.